Let's just cut to the chase. You want to know how to use Notion for task management. So in this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to set up your task and break that big task into small tasks, subtasks, and then track procrastination with node system and eventually finish what you set up. So let's dive in and see. This is the task manager page, which is part of an ultra productive system. And when you come over here, you can see all these sections. Okay, this is a lot of sections. All section, log section, today section, concentration section, tomorrow, next week, next month, and done section. Okay. First here, you don't need to overwhelm yourself because it's so simple. I will show you. First, when you get here, you need to add new page. Go here, add new page, and enter the task into today. I mean today or tomorrow, anywhere. Just inbox it all. Write it down. Whatever you that task that come in your mind. Okay. Here I will show you some example. Like let's add some random task here. Okay. So here let's add a random task like the draft initial project outline. That's our first task. Okay. Let's start the second task. Second task is create design mockups. Okay, now let's add the third task. Third task will be write content for the landing page. Just like that, let's add two more tasks. As you can see, we have about five tasks. Okay, now let's look at tasks that really matters, that need to be done in the morning. Okay, or in the moment. So let's after choosing a random task, for example, random task, I will choose this as a log task. Okay, here open this and create a new page. Here give a title to the log page that is act as a log for the certain task. Okay, let's have the log page which is finish client project A. That's a log page. Okay, that's a title for the log. Let's add new, and if you want to look a closer look, let's tap on that again and see this is the closer look. You can see the tasks that are logged, and here you can write about why is this important, what happens if I don't do this, and what do I gain by completing it. That's the three prompts you need to answer, and you can also add a urgency score and a deadline. Here I will add a deadline. Let's start from this month to 29, and it's logged, it's logged, and here this is a progress bar. This works as whenever you complete this task, it will go high. So this is the one. There is one task linked to the log, so it will if I come mark this complete, it will show 100%. After selecting the log, as you can see, you can come over here, and here you can see you logged one task. After that, the next step is add the priority. Priority is high. Can add a category like this, and here you need to add the deadline. I will add deadline as today. When you come over here to the section, you can see the certain task, this task to be done today. And there is also one feature I want to talk about, and that is if this today task is really making you procrastinate too much, there's two things you can do. One thing is whenever you find yourself procrastinating, you just come over here and come here from procrastinating, add a new page here, and I give it a like I found procrastination, which is details for setting, and then tag this at a date. I will on procrastinating today, and what answer is three prompts. Okay, four prompts. First prompt is what distracted me today? Maybe Instagram. When did it happen? Uh, Tell about what was the trigger. Okay, and then how did I handle it? And here you can write how did you handle it, how did you close that Instagram, like that. And then here, this is a final and important rule. If then rule. And here you need to answer that if I do this task, let's add the link, you should link that task. Our task was, what was that task? I had this, okay. I can remember it. and if I do this task, then I have achieved this kind of object. Okay, you need to be like this. If I do this task, I then I can get a reward. Okay, okay, that's how it works. And do that repeatedly whenever you find yourself procrastinating. Okay, and you will get control over yourself. I'm sure of it is scientifically proven method, so I'm sure about it. And there is second method, which is you can if you still want to stop this procrastination, then next feature is really helpful, which is break the task into mini small subtasks. Okay, here you can create subtask for this main task. Okay, for this you may think like writing content for landing page. Here your first step should be finding the content. Okay, here let's add finding the content example. Okay, this is an example. Just like that, you can add more subtasks that can get that main task done. Okay, and you can create more 5 or 3, any number. Okay, main goal here is to break this main task into small tasks. Okay, and that's how you can also manage your procrastination. And that's a two method you can try. And after finishing that task, you can set this as done, and it shows green because done. Okay, and this is how you can manage your task. And when we come to the home page, here you can see the task. This is the task we selected, and you can open this. You can write the title, description, and whenever you type the description, it will show up here. And after that, here you can see the subtask we have added. And when we complete setup task, and it will show 100% of the main task completed. Okay, and really helpful. And that's it. I have added this product link in the description. It's totally free. You can have that download and duplicate Notion and use it. Okay, and yeah, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and if you want to collaborate with me, please contact me in my email. You can find me in the uh, YouTube profile. And yeah, hope you like this video, and I will communicate with us a different pro, which is really helpful. And also, I didn't forget that I will create this ultra project notion systems full tutorial, and I will be back with this soon. So don't worry about that. And yeah, that's it. See you in next video.